all 5X.
Half
That's
5X.
13. It's all 5X.
13 na po.
Unused gold and silver. I told you, it's a stage roadshow. Gold and silver, gold rings, chains, and even broken jewelry. Don't.
Or sometimes it could be less, but most of the time.
But the week before you left, he turned around and he said to me,
Good morning.
A nice one, right?
No, student model.
$5 or sometimes it could be less, but most of
how much is
So you'll have to step back. He isn't answering his phone. It's my...
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you today?
I can't complain.
I think she's trying to get a hold of you.
Well, that would help too.
Good morning.
Good morning. My brother left me in charge of his stand, and 5 people came.
I know. I was watching them all. They don't want to listen to what you tell them 5
He's
times.
not picking up his phone. There's nothing I can do. I look like the bad guy.
I haven't seen one of these. Can I take it out of the sleeve?
It's not in the sleeve. It's not a gun. It's just a wall
Wow, look at that.
decoration.
Fooled me. Or I'm getting old.
A lot of people think, "What is that? A BB gun?" Like, no, it's not.
I thought it was one of them Red Riders, you know, that you'll shoot your eye out gun.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, a John Wayne fan will see that and grab it up. Good morning. How are you?
It's coming.
I did the same thing, man. It was really cool to see too. I could remember being his age and doing that same thing.
yeah.
When there was a ball, I had to bounce it, man. It brings you back. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
questa strada sempre.
$60.
Didn't you have a box of little bottles?
Yeah.
Did you sell them?
No, I just didn't put them out the street. They're in the truck.
Can I look at them again? I have somebody that might be interested in them. That's why I had asked.
I just don't like to put the same stuff out every week.
No, I understand. Dave, are you still at the market?
No.
I'm with this gentleman here with this box of all these tiny little bottles, those medicine bottles from World War II.
But there's no morphine. Tell him I used the morphine already.
All right. You know the low end price for these is $15 each. Did you know that?
No, I did not.
I researched them after I got back on the computer. So I wanted to let you know that so you don't cheat yourself.
Well,
Because you have
what?
22, I think, something like that.
Yeah.
23. It's about 300 bucks almost. Yeah.
Well, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Just,
Yep.
thanks for letting me see them again.
Would that be a little...